Are you struggling to attract customers and generate sales? If you're facing low traffic, high ad costs, or poor conversions, it's time to implement a data-driven marketing strategy. E-commerce SEO, rank higher on Google and get free organic traffic. Facebook ads, run profitable ad campaigns that convert. Google Tag Manager and pixel tracking, track user behavior and optimize sales. Over 70% of shoppers start on Google. If your store isn't ranking, you're losing potential buyers. Our strategy includes keyword optimization, on-page and technical SEO. With over 3 billion users, Facebook and Instagram are ideal for e-commerce. Our strategy includes audience targeting, ad creatives, and retargeting ads. To increase sales, you need to track customer behavior. We set up Google Tag Manager and Facebook Pixel to analyze user behavior and boost conversions. Want to increase traffic and sales? Let's talk today. Contact Mehedi Hasan now and start scaling your business.